Let's swatch all of Details Rose Latte lipsticks. Also, quick side note before we continue guys, trivia lang na 2021 nga palang first ni-launch yung Rose Latte na shade and dito siya sa Satin Luxe Butter Lips nila. And the reason ko bakit alam ko is because ni-review ko siya before sa YouTube. And since then, sobrang nagustuhan ko na and I fell in love with the shade. Let's start with the OG at yung Satin Luxe Butter Lip Tint. This is the product that started everything and just look at that color. The finish is so good. Ito yung isa sa mga items na you need to get your hands on. I mean, just look how it glides. Perfectly named. Feels like butter on the lips. Next is Satin Luxe Light. And this one is basically yung sheer version of the OG Detail Satin Luxe. It is definitely a lot thinner, more of like a tinted balm. Formula is still the same. Very buttery soft. So good. If you find the OG too opaque or too pigmented for your liking, you might want to check this one out. This one I'm holding is the Power Lip Ultra Matte, which is, I think, pretty self-explanatory, a matte version of the OG. And as you can see, grabe yung pigment. And true to its claim, talagang matte yung finish niya. Again, a power lip. A little bit thick lang yung formula nito, like you can feel the lipstick, but very long-lasting to. And also guys, hindi nagta-transfer. So I also have here Details Jelly Lips, which is also super nice. And perfectly named kasi jelly-like talaga yung finish niya. Look how plump and juicy my lips are with this product. This one nga pala is spicy kasi meron siyang plumping effect. But hopefully soon, mag-release sila ng version nito na walang plumping effect, yung hindi minty or spicy. Second to the last, Velvet Lip Cream. And eto naman is perfect if you love yung mga velvety finish na pwede nyong i-blur yung edge. Kasi ganun yung vibe niya. I mean, look at that. Diba? Sobrang effortless niyang ilagay. Pigment is also really nice on this one. And ang ganda ng finish niya. Sobrang blurring and plush. Sobrang ganda sa lips. The product to use if you want your lips to look very pillowy and soft. And finally, Glass Stain, which is a formula I personally really love. Look at that. Diba? It is perfection. I mean, just look how it glides. Tapos ang bango pa nito, amoy coffee. Sobrang ganda ng formula nito, guys. Very hydrating and moisturizing sa lips. I even got the mini so that kapag lalabas ako, ito na lang yung dala ko. If you haven't already, you have to try Details Rose Latte shade. I promise, this is one of the prettiest and most flattering lipstick shades there is.